So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today topic about iOS 14.3 beta 3 release out. So guys, what's the new features and also bug fix in iOS 14.3 beta 3. So guys, I give you some solution tips and tricks about what's the new in iOS 14.3 beta 3 versions. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the black icon so easy to update my new videos. So guys, Apple already released iOS 14.3 beta 2 versions in iPhone and iPad, then again released the iOS 14.3 beta 3. So guys, what's the new features in iOS 14.3 beta 3 and also what's the bug fix in iOS 14.3 beta 3. So guys, iOS 14.3 beta 3 available to developer via an over the air update in the settings app. As usual, if the update does not immediately appear for the download, keep checking as it some time and few minutes to roll out and all the registered developers. The update features the build number 18C5061A. iOS 14.3 include variant of the changes for the iPhone users, mostly notably a ProRAW photo format for iPhone 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max and 12 Pro Mini. The update also includes twerk to the Home app and also app watch notifications and more. iOS 14.3 also make Easter to set custom app icon thanks to ability to run shortcut in iPhone and iPad home screens. So guys, what's the new features in iOS 14.3 beta 3? So guys, first one is home app updates and also Apple Watch cardio fitness notifications and more. The second one is iOS 14.3 beta includes support the removed AirTags and third-party tracking accessories. Third one, iOS 14.3 beta 2 let you run shortcut from the home screens without launching the shortcut apps. iOS 14.3 add new ProRAW features photo in iPhone 12, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much.